My name is Amy Paterson. I'm a loan originator with NBKC Bank, and I've been helping first-time home buyers for over 17 years. Well, today we're going to talk about origination fees and what all is involved, who all touches your file when you originate a mortgage application. The origination fee is something that a bank may charge just simply for them to originate your loan. It's to cover their overhead. Not every bank charges an origination fee, and those fees can vary widely from lender to lender. So when you're shopping interest rates, it's very important to get a full picture and ask, okay, that's your going rate today. What do you charge as an origination fee? Are there points? Are there processing and lender admin fees? If you get a really good rate quote, but it's coupled with very expensive origination fees, maybe that rate isn't the best option. I would always ask a lender if there's any wiggle room or negotiation with an origination fee. It is not a given, and not every lender charges them. And again, it's super important to get full disclosure on that to make sure you're getting the best overall deal, the best rate with the best fees and customer service. There are a lot of hands that touch a file. I had no idea before I started in this business and bought my first home how many people and how much work is involved in taking a loan from loan origination all the way to closing. And that's what that origination fee is. It helps reimburse a lender for that overhead. A point is a percentage of your loan value paid at closing, and it can be a discount point, which lowers your interest rate, or it can be the origination fee that the lender charges you. And let's say you get a rate and you want a lower interest rate. Well, the lender's going to offer that lower rate, but charge you points, that percentage of your loan value that you'll pay at closing for that lower rate. The first person most likely you're going to talk to when you start the mortgage process is a loan officer or loan originator. And that originator should discuss with you what your goals are, help you with the pre-approval process, start the application process with you, what documentation is needed, and then they'll take your file and submit it to processing. Processing is going to make sure all the I's are dotted and T's are crossed, insurance in the file, title insurance, the appraisal's in. They're going to bundle everything together and then submit it to underwriting. And underwriting has a very important role. They're going to take a look at your file and make sure that you fulfill the requirements as designated by Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, and Ginnie Mae, depending on what type of mortgage that you get. And once underwriting approves your file, then it moves to closing. The closers work with the title company or the closing attorney, work through the final figures, and they'll send the documents out for you to sign when you buy the home. You know, as a first-time home buyer, you typically don't keep your first home forever. So if it's going to take 5 or 6 or 7 years to break even and you only intend on keeping this house 3 years, well, paying points to lower the rate may not be worthwhile. Same thing with the origination fees. If you're paying origination fees to get a lower interest rate, but the break-even point is beyond when you think you're going to keep this home, well, that's not the best use of your money. Best way to reach me is through our company website, which is nbkc.com, and my direct information is also at the end of this video. I'd love to hear from you.